Hello and namaskar dear students, this is Dishita Maan and today we are going to learn chapter number 11, adjective. Yes, we called it as describing word also. Adjectives are also known as describing words. We had learned describing words in lower classes और अब हम adjectives बोलेंगे describing words को. Now the learning objective of this lesson is, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the use of suitable words to describe things, animals, birds, and people. You will also be able to identify describing words or adjective. Now let us see what is an adjective. Word that describes or tells us more about naming word or noun are called adjectives or describing words. इसका मतलब है ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमें नाउन के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानने में हेल्प करते हैं या गिव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन्स. द वर्ड्स दैट गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन or describe more about a noun is known as adjectives. For example, a hard nut, a beautiful girl. Girl कैसी है? Beautiful. So beautiful is describing word, whereas hard nut, hard is also adjective. A happy boy. Now boy कैसा है? Happy. So happy is also adjective. So this hard, beautiful, adjective. These all are the words that describing noun. These all are nouns. Nut is name of thing. Girl is name of person. Boy is also name of person. So इन सबको कौन describe कर रहा है? ये सारे words. तो ये सारे words हमारे लिए क्या हुए? Adjective. Now let us learn more about adjective. That describes the quality of a person, animals, place or things are called adjectives. Yes, we can say that words that describes the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो डिस्क्राइब करते हैं पर्सन की क्वालिटी, प्लेस की क्वालिटी, थिंग की क्वालिटी या एनिमल की क्वालिटी, उन सबको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स. एंड द वर्ड्स फॉर नंबर, कलर, साइज एंड शेप आर ऑल्सो एडजेक्टिव. Yes, adjective of number, adjective of color, adjective of size, adjective of shape, these all are categories of adjectives. The words for number, color, size and shape are also adjective. For example, smart boy, green parrot. Green and smart are what? Adjective. Now, word used to describe quality, color, size, shape, number called adjectives. We can say an adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sound like. For example, beautiful girl denotes looks of a girl. Salty chips denotes taste of the chips. Soft pillow tells us feel of the pillow. Loud music shows sound of the music. Fresh fragrance denotes fragrance of the perfume. So these all words, beautiful, salty, soft, loud, fresh, these all are adjective as they are describing naming words. Alright, now open your notebook. Take out your pencil and eraser and let's start with writing extra grammar exercise. I hope that you all are ready with your notebooks. Yes, so give heading chapter number 11, adjectives, and give another heading, extra grammar exercise. And then give the subheading, underline the adjectives in these sentences. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Then state what they describe. Then state what they describe. Looks, comma color, comma number or quality. Underline the adjectives in the sentences. Then state what they describe. Look, color, number or quality. The first one is, first we will write all the questions and then we will write the answers of it. So the first question, as you can see here, you need to write it down like this. आपको यहाँ पे questions लिखने हैं and उसके just सामने you need to put dash, because we need to describe it whether it's a look, color, number or quality. So this is how we need to write it down. The first one is, these candies are very sweet. These candies are very sweet. Give dash in front of it. And then come to second one. Mother wants to buy a round table. Mother wants to buy a round table. Then give dash in front of it. Let's write the third one. Do you know the model name of that green car? Write it down. Do you know the model name of that green car? And then put a dash in front of it. Now come to D. David was wearing a long overcoat. David was wearing a long overcoat. Then put a dash in front of it. Now come to E. I ate 3 samosas today. I ate 3 samosas today. Then put dash in front of it. Now come to F. Sue made a nice card for her sister. Then give dash in front of it. Now come to G1. Don't touch the red button. Don't touch the red button. And give the dash in front of it. Now let's write the next question. Her parents are very strict. Her parents are very strict. Give the dash in front of it. Now write it down, the next one. Mr. Sam was in a cheerful mood today. Mr. Sam was in a cheerful mood today. Let's write the last one. You have got 7 days to prepare for the exam. You have got 7 days to prepare for the exam. I hope that you all have written these questions. Let us write the answers as well. And the answers are here. These candies are very sweet. Underline sweet and write it down, quality. Then mother wants to buy a round table. Underline round and write it down, look. Then come to the next one. Do you know the model name of that green car? Underline green and write it down, color. Done. Now come to fourth one. David was wearing a long overcoat. Underline long as it is a describing word, and it is describing what? Look of that overcoat. So we will write look here. Now come to next one. I ate 3 samosas today. Underline 3 and it is denoting number of adjectives. So we will write number here. Then come to F1. Sue made a nice card for her sister. Underline nice and write it down, quality. QUALITY. कार्ड की क्वालिटी कैसी है? नाइस है. Done. Now come to G1. Don't touch the red button. Underline red and write it down, color. Now come to the next one. Her parents are very strict. Underline strict and write it down, quality. Then come to the next one. Mr. Sam was in a cheerful mood today. Underline cheerful and write it down, quality. Now see the last one. You have got 7 days to prepare for the exam. Underline 7 as it is describing the number of days, so we will write number here. Alright, so this is how we had completed our first exercise. Now note it down, your extra grammar homework for today, and give heading question number 2. Write it in a new page. Give heading homework and then write it down. Complete the sentences with the adjectives given below. हमें ये सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करना है ये सारे एडजेक्टिव से. तो आप एक बॉक्स बना लीजिए बिल्कुल ऐसा ही, and write it down the first word, that is expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. Then write it down the second word, empty. EMPTY. Write the third one, clever. CLEVER. Write the fourth one, serious. SERIOUS. Write the next one. Friendly. 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 Then write the next one. Wet. W-E-T. The next word is funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Another adjective is tall. T-A-L-L, tall. And the last one is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. I hope that all of you have written these words in the box. Now write it down. The first question. The first question is, our new neighbors are very dash. This time I will only tell you the questions because this is your homework and you need to write it down by yourself. You have to pick one of the words from this box and then you need to write it down here. These all are what? These words are adjective words. And आपको वो adjective words ये सारे blanks में लिखने हैं. Alright. Now let's see B1. Be careful. B-E-C-A-R-E-F-U-L. B-E-B. Careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Be careful, comma, or you will slip on the dash floor. Be careful or you will slip on the dash floor. Now write the third one. My sister bought me an dash watch for my birthday. Question number third is, my sister bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought me an dash watch for my birthday. B-I-R-T-H, birth, D-A-Y, day, birthday. Then write the fourth one. Jay told us a dash story and made everyone laugh. Jay told us a dash story and made everyone laugh. Now write it down the next one. Don't forget your sweater. It's a dash day. Don't forget your sweater. It's a dash day. Write question F. We went to the zoo today. It was a dash trip. We went to the zoo today. It was a dash trip. Now write the next one. The dash boy answered all the questions correctly. The dash boy answered all the questions correctly. Now write the next one. Mr. Das is a dash man. Mr. Das is a dash man. I have never seen him laugh. Now write the second one. Many students are absent today. The classroom looks dash. Many students are absent today. The classroom looks dash. Then write the last one. The dash boy helped me place the book on the top shelf. The dash boy helped me place the book on the top shelf. Now let us discuss how to do this exercise. One more time, dear kids. यहाँ पे आपको एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स ऊपर दिए ही हुए हैं, आपको सिर्फ ब्लैंक्स में लिखना है. As for example, our new neighbor is very friendly. So I'll write it down, friendly here. Alright. Then be careful or you will slip on the wet floor. Wet is suiting here, it's suitable for this one. So I'll write wet floor. So likewise you need to complete all these questions with the help of this box. Alright, I hope that today's session was interesting for you all, and we had completed our chapter number 11, adjective, and revised it along with extra grammar exercise. Then also, if you face any difficulty in this concept, you can ask me. Practice grammar, keep studying, take care, and thank you guys.